Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tisha from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a line across at the top. Then curve it down from both ends. Now let's bring it down on both sides. Curve it in at the bottom. And then a line across to form a rounded rectangle shape. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. We'll start by drawing two large ovals for the eyes. And then another one inside like this. And color both of these in black. Next, on top for the eyelashes, let's draw two curves going up and over on the left. And then for the bottom lashes, two lines underneath also angled to the left side. And then hop in between the eyes and let's draw a U-shaped curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the tissue. Let's start with two angled lines up and out. And then a wavy line across the top. Now inside from the bottom, let's draw a line up in the center, and then an angled line on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Under the head, let's draw two curves down and out like this. And then a curve down underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another two sets of curves at the top. And a wavy line across the bottom. And then inside at the top, let's draw two more curves down. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the pattern on the dress. Let's start with a curve up in the center. Then a curve up on both sides. And then one more bump across. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Starting near the top, let's draw a line out and down. And then a curve out underneath. Then a bump up at the end for the hands. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with two lines underneath on the left and the same on the right. And then a curve down and around to close off each of the legs. And that's it for Tisha. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!